want to talk more about this fifth trauma-informed principle of empowerment, voice, and choice as it relates to group therapy and group work specifically. So group work is unique as an intervention in its effectiveness and its capacity for empowerment, voice, and choice. The mutual aid process and the peer support within the group initiates a collective sense of empowerment for the entire group. The group that taps into its collective power initiates a parallel process of each individual accessing and harnessing their own internal power and their own sense of empowerment. So the power of the group is really, really potent in cohesive and safe groups. Part of this empowerment process helps individuals reconnect to a sense of autonomy, a sense of choice, and a sense of ownership within their own lives. Many times in the group process and the trauma recovery process, the fundamental skill of boundary setting and making choices becomes really central and really a key component of learning and practicing within the group process. This trauma-informed principle of choice promotes a reconnection to autonomy for the trauma survivor, who often might feel like they've lost their sense of autonomy or control over their life because of what they've gone through. Group therapy and group work provides a variety of opportunities for voice, for choice, and for empowerment. And there's something unique about the experience of giving voice to your wants, your needs, your feelings in a group setting compared to an individual setting. There's a increased power to it in a group in terms of being witnessed, being heard, being seen in a social setting, especially if we've started to lose our sense of trust that others are going to hear us when we talk, are going to take us seriously, are going to even believe us when we tell them about our experiences. So there seems to be something specifically unique about group work and its advantages over individual work when it comes to this trauma-informed principle of voice and empowerment. So I want to challenge you for a moment to reflect on your own experiences of being in groups, of being in classrooms or communities that felt empowering. What was it specifically about those experiences in group settings that made it feel empowering? What were the factors that led to the sense of empowerment? What were those factors on an individual level and on a collective level? And how can we actively work to cultivate those factors in our own groups?